Here's three nice examples of Koroit Boulder Opal. A couple of slices and the end of a piece here. For sale. Rules in millimetres, materials wetted, and we'll go a bit closer. Okay, going a bit closer. The first piece, just nice patterns. See the opal intruding in here. Of course it's so flat and smooth, wet, the light's reflecting now, I'm sorry. First piece, second piece, got a lot of nice colour in it, blues and greens, nice eye there of the opal, sometimes it's showing a little bit of blue, the other side, it's that eye that's opened up. Last pieces are not the end of the nut, that's the outside, that's where it's been sliced through, got that lovely pattern. There's evidence of opal over here, so maybe grind this. You can see here the intrusions of opal, so it's always good to grind the edge off and see what the colours, if there's colour in it. Anyway, it's those three pieces. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.